In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure HubSpot to detect workflow anomalies and set up alerts. We'll walk through this together from inside your HubSpot account, so go ahead and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the automation icon. When you hover your mouse over that icon, a menu will expand. From that menu, click on Workflows. This is where all of your existing workflows live, and where you can manage how they behave and how you're notified about any issues. Inside the Workflows area, find the specific workflow you want HubSpot to monitor for anomalies. This might be an important nurturing sequence, a lead qualification workflow, or anything that's critical to your process. Click on that workflow to open it in the Workflow Editor. Now that you're inside the Workflow Editor, look towards the top of the page for the Settings tab. Click on Settings, and you'll see a panel slide open on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel controls how the workflow runs behind the scenes, including the alerts we're going to set up. Scroll down through the Settings panel until you reach the section called Analyze Performance. This is the key area where you tell HubSpot what to watch for and when to notify you. Here, you'll see options to enable different types of alerts. First, you can turn on notifications to get notified about workflow issues. This is useful for catching problems like errors, unusual behavior, or steps that aren't working as expected. Next, you can enable notifications if the enrollment rate changes. Enrollment rate refers to how many records are entering your workflow over time. A sudden spike or drop can indicate a problem upstream, like a broken form, a misconfigured trigger, or a sudden change in traffic. You can configure this using HubSpot's intelligence features, manual settings, or a combination of both, depending on how much control you want over the thresholds. You'll also see an option to compare conversion metrics for each path within the workflow. Turning this on helps you spot underperforming branches, so you can detect anomalies not only at the workflow level, but also within individual paths. Once you've adjusted these settings to match your monitoring needs, make sure you scroll to the bottom of the panel and click Save. This step is easy to overlook, but without saving, your alert configuration will not be applied. And that's it. Your workflow is now set up so HubSpot can detect anomalies and send you alerts, helping you catch issues early and keep your automations running smoothly.